Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. See our new model. Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2026 BMW iX3, BMW's sleek electric SUV that blends futuristic tech with everyday practicality. It's clean, it's classy, and it's 100% electric. So, is this the EV that finally gets everything right? Let's find out. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 iX3 brings sharper edges and a more modern silhouette. The updated kidney grille, now fully enclosed, proudly signals its electric identity. Slim LED matrix headlights with dynamic welcome animations give it a premium, high-tech presence. BMW has refined the aerodynamics too, with active air flaps, sleek new alloy designs, and a smooth underbody that improves range and efficiency. And those subtle blue accents. A nod to BMW's iDNA that makes this EV instantly recognizable. Step inside and the iX3 greets you with a cabin that feels futuristic yet familiar. At the center is BMW's new curved display, which combines a 12.9-inch digital cluster with a 14.6-inch touchscreen, powered by iDrive 9. It's fast, fluid, and fully voice-activated. The 2026 model uses recycled materials and sustainable leather alternatives, making the cabin as eco-conscious as it is luxurious. A full-length panoramic roof and customizable ambient lighting add to the feeling of space and serenity. Under the skin, the new iX3 delivers improved performance with a single rear-mounted electric motor producing 296 horsepower and 400 Nm of torque, enough for a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of around 6 seconds. It's smooth, silent, and surprisingly agile, with BMW's finely tuned suspension and low center of gravity giving it that signature ultimate driving machine feel. You also get over 330 miles of range on a full charge, plus ultra-fast DC charging up to 180 kilowatts, topping you up from 10 to 80% in under 30 minutes. The 2026 BMW iX3 proves that you don't need to sacrifice luxury or driving pleasure to go electric. With refined looks, advanced tech, and solid real-world range, it hits the sweet spot for anyone looking to make the switch, BMW style. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more EV reviews, and let us know in the comments, would you choose the iX3 over a Tesla or a Mercedes EQB? See you in the next one, stay charged.